Alright guys, before we get into video editing, I just wanted to go ahead and give you 5 tips that will help make the video editing process much smoother. Tip number 1, scrub through all your footage. I like to start the editing process by bringing all the footage onto the timeline and scrubbing through and deleting anything I know that I'm not going to use. This really helps to get a good idea of how many usable clips you actually have. The more you edit, the more you'll be able to tell what is usable and not usable. Tip number 2, shorter is better. In most cases, you want to keep your aerial videos no longer than 2 minutes. Most of our aerial videos are between 1 minute and 1 minute and 30 seconds. Anything over that in the video starts to seem very repetitive. Tip number 3, add the song after you're done with the full edit. This will really help to focus on showing the best a home has to offer without worrying about matching the clips to the beat of a song. Now there will be times that you'll need to have the song first just because the agent requested a particular track. However, most of the time it will be best to edit a nice flow of the home and then add the song. Tip number 4, don't use transitions and effects that are distracting. Keep in mind that this is a video that's going to be watched by all kinds of people, so transitions that you might think look super awesome might be super distracting by someone of a different age group or demographic. There are plenty of sites out there where you can purchase great transitions and effects for real estate videos. We like Motion Array, Pixel Film Studios, and Envato Market. Feel free to research what works well for you and just find some good, clean, modern looking transitions that will help you improve your videos. And finally, tip number 5. Once you're done editing, watch the video from beginning to end at least once. The last thing you want to do is deliver an incomplete video to your customers where you made a blatant mistake. Also, make sure that you spell the agent's name correctly and have the correct contact information if you include that in the video. Some other things you'll want to look for are making sure that the videographer isn't showing up in reflections and cars aren't moving in reverse if you used any reverse clips. It's better for you to find those errors before delivering the video instead of the agent having to reach out and ask for updates. If you follow these 5 simple tips, you'll be on your way to creating great aerial videos. That's all for this video. Reach out if you have any questions. We'll see you guys on the next one.